Yeah, hi guys. Hey, today we've swapped out 56 6x6 panels. What was made easy is that there's no headroom in these, but by using rapids, it was a quick disconnect of the old panels. The cabling stayed there, and what we've actually done is we've actually integrated Stitchy into this now. So we've got 56 panels which are in 4 rows. There's 14 in each row. And what we've done is we've split them in half, so we've got 8 sections now, all controlled by Stitchy. Now, being the lab that we're in the lab, that enables us to be able to control dim lights for testing and things like that as well. So what we've done is taken a bank of lights which we could turn on and off, and we've automated that bank of lights. Now, this was a really trying situation because we had no more than about 1.5 inches, and with the backlit panels, we actually had even less to put the drivers. But as you can see, we've got no gaps, no nothing. We have to make some modifications on the ends, but that was to be expected because that's where we're sticking Stitchy and the power and the junction boxes. But what we've ended up with is a fully controlled set of lights that we can turn on and off, we can dim, we can do as we please, and it's taken us no more than 4.5, 5 hours. Alright, and to be honest, as an electrician, I found the rapid connect was the easiest way. There was no junction boxes, there was nothing being done up there. It's all through rapid connects. The only junction boxes are in the ends where we have to integrate Stitchy and things like that. So, mate, they're a great product, really easy, and this is a great result using them in very limited space.